What's up guys, in this video we will be checking another centralized exchange that you could use with your crypto exchanges. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so build your dream finance, otherwise known as BYDFI. This is the landing page of BYDFI. Link will be in the description of the video. In this centralized exchange, guys, you will see 400 plus cryptocurrency that is available in their spot exchange. Now, also, it is one of the best spots that you could go ahead and check out the crypto tokens that you would like to exchange. Another good thing about this crypto exchange is that it also has the derivatives right there. So if you're looking into like doing future exchanges, doing those leverages times 10, times 15 and all those good stuff. But before you head on to the futures exchange, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check out the videos that will help you out with your technical analysis. Go ahead and check out our channel. We've made different videos that would definitely help you out to get better. Also guys, take note that in BYDFI, you do not need to complete a KYC to start trading. Okay, let me also show you one article from Forbes.com, and you can go ahead and check this one out as well, that BYDFI is one of the best crypto apps and exchanges for beginners in March of 2023, which is this month. So go ahead and check this one out, guys. Again, this is something that would be useful, especially for people that are really into crypto exchanges. And right now, crypto is doing better, I would say, compared to like the previous year or months. So hopefully it gets better and better and we head on to the bullish one. So if you register with BYDFI, guys, there will be a 10% fee discount. So you can go ahead and check out the link for that registration that you could use. Also, check out their social media platforms, their Twitter, their Telegram, their website, and all those good stuff. There are a lot of good things. And also guys, I would also encourage you to check out their copy trading here in BYDFI. That way, if you're new with a crypto exchange, then this is something that you could consider starting out. These are like traders that are doing well, I would say. They have like 450%, 291% up. So go ahead and check this one out as well. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. Click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.